is so a breakthrough in Viking disease, international breakthrough. Israeli medicine is leading the way once again. Dr. Oron of Kaplan Hospital in Rehovot, for the first time in the world, is used a special technology that to deal with dopitren. This is what I have, but I don't have it in a bad way yet. It's a disease that causes unusual thickening in the hands and regular contractions in fingers, and eventually the patients can't move them, so it becomes like this. I will have a paw. It's so odd. I will have something like this. Maybe not, because it's different. And the patient is a 8-year-old man who had a lot of difficulties with his hands, and it can cause you a lot of difficulties in your functioning. So he uses a special technique where you can see where it's especially thick. Till now it was hit or miss, and this allows them much more precise targeting of the areas that are thickening. And he then injects an enzyme, and it's local anesthesia, and till now it required a complicated surgery that was hit or miss. It wasn't very precise. And now with new technology, you can see using Synergy 3D MED. It's a special 3-dimension machine that allows the doctor to see exactly where he's injecting the Colgate. So I'm happy I live in Israel, because I've just been diagnosed a few years ago. I didn't know. It's called the Viking disease because it's mostly where the Vikings were, Norway, North England. But in my case, my family ancestry goes to Lithuania and Ukraine, and the Vikings were probably there as well. So, and it's not, it's called the Viking disease because the areas where the Vikings were. It's usually men over 50 with, for some reason, it's related to alcohol consumption. I'm not a man. I do not consume alcohol, but in Israel there is hope now for this horrible disease, and you can just, under local anesthesia, a doctor can use this modern technology to locate the exact location of the thickening. So I'm going to figure out how to do this, because I've been getting sometimes a little bit pain in my fingers at night especially, and this is really good news, because this is a disease that means you cannot use your hands. Your hands become like this, or different variations as you get older, different degrees. I don't have it that bad yet. And one doctor recommended surgery. Thank God I didn't choose that, and I decided to wait. So a breakthrough in Israel, Dr. Oron and Kaplan Hospital, new technology, new hope for people with it's called Dopotrain. Thank you, Israel, for bringing this technology, and thank God I'm here. So Israel is leading medical research and technology once more. Thank God for that. Peace, light, and love.